Let's see how to import a module. Now let's write a code here for calculating the addition of two numbers. So I'll write enter first number, enter second number. Now to add this, I'll use a module. So I've created a module here called operations, and in this I have a function called add, and here you can see this is how a module looks. Now to import it, I'll write import. This is how we import any module. So import the module name, so ours is operations, and then we print operations dot add. So this is the function. Operation add is the add is the function. So it will be the module name dot whatever function is within the module. So now when we run this, we enter the first number, second number, and we get our output. Now we can rename our module operations to OP, and we can, instead of calling the whole name operations, we can just use the short name. We can use the short form OP. So when we run this code again, we enter the first number, second number, 8, 8 and 16, and it still works the same. So this is how you can import a module and rename it to whatever you like and use it in your code.